everyone, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for Aquarius till mid of April. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what the outcome will be. Okay. So Aquarius, your partner's energy right now is the Justice. What I feel like, either they are trying to settle down some legal matters in their life, or they are trying to do justice with this relationship with you. They are trying to balance out the scales in this relationship, balance out the scales of equal give and take. So basically what I feel is, now they are ready to put in the effort, to put in the work, which was always required for this relationship to finally work out. Okay. So how they see you, they see you as the moon. I feel like your person is feeling that you are being secretive, you are not telling them the truth, or you are hiding something from them, or they are seeing you in the light of, maybe you are a very very fearful person, and you are fearing being in this relationship with this particular person because of some subconscious mind fears. Okay, this is what is happening. How they feel about this relationship. Two of Wands. I feel like you guys are in separation, or you guys are not together right now, and they are waiting for the right time to come out to you, to reach out, or they are just waiting on you to come to them and talk to them. It is like they are right now in the waiting zone. They are right now not doing anything, not taking any kind of action. So basically right now they are in the zone of making things balanced, making things equal in this relationship with you. Okay, Aquarius, I feel like now they are ready to put in the work, because this is what they want from this relationship. They want to put the effort, they want to put the work in this relationship. They are now ready to put in the work that is required for any relationship to work out in the long term. So basically what I feel is, Aquarius, now your partner is ready to put in the effort which was required before to work out, to for this relationship to work out. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for your partner, and the outcome from their side is the Ace of Swords. This is a definite new beginning from their side. So they are ready to have a new beginning with you, because they are cutting out all the negativity, all the toxicity, all the past issues behind, and they are now starting afresh. Now they are feeling victorious. Now they are feeling the energy that, yes, now I'm ready to put in the work, now I'm ready to have a new beginning, and finally they will give you a new beginning as well. Okay, let's clarify the card, the Ace of Swords, the outcome. I am clarifying the outcome today. So the outcome, the outcome, the Ace of Swords is clarified by the Six of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and the Death. Aquarius, what I feel is you are connected to Libra somewhere, or Gemini, or Capricorn. Okay, these are the signs that I'm getting here. So because Libra is air sign, and I am getting Libra very very strongly, because Justice card is also here, Ace of Swords is also here, Six of Swords is also here. So I feel like there's a strong connection with Libra of this Aquarius. Okay, so yes, now they are ready to start, they are ready to have a new beginning with you, because the things are now moving towards a very positive cycle, and now they are feeling the love. They are ready to offer you something, because there is big major transformation coming in for this relationship in the near future, till mid of April. So Aquarius, your partner is ready to have a new start, to have a new beginning with you, because now they are feeling like things are taking a turn for the good. Now they are feeling the emotion, now they are ready to offer you something good, because they are transforming into a new person. They are transforming into something very very different from what they used to be. Okay, this is what is happening for you guys, Aquarius. So now tapping to your energy, Aquarius. I hope I'm visible to you guys. I'm sitting on the edge of the bed. So yeah, your energy, Aquarius, is of Nine of Pentacles. You are busy working on yourself. You are busy working on yourself and looking good, and making money, making your own zone or your own business. Or if you're a student, you are working on yourself. You are reading. You are educating yourself, and you are, your whole focus is on yourself right now. You are working on yourself. That is a very good energy. That should be the energy of every individual on earth, I think. So how you feel, what you feel about your partner? I mean, how you see your partner? You see your partner as the Judgment card is there. You feel like your partner should consider this relationship again. They should reach out to you. You are seeing your partner as somebody who is coming back to you, who is ready to reconcile, but they were not ready for this thing to be like a committed relationship, to be a relationship at first place in the past. So now they are ready, and you can feel it. Okay, Aquarius, you are feeling it. So what you feel about this relationship is the Magician. You are manifesting this relationship, this connection in your life, Aquarius, consciously or subconsciously, but you are manifesting. Maybe you are using law of attraction techniques to to attract this person in your life. But whatever it is, you are manifesting something very very beautiful about this relationship, about this particular person. And the good news is that this person is coming towards you. What you want from this relationship is a two of cups. You are feeling like manifesting this person, and what you want is the two of cups energy is there. So you want this relationship to work out because you feel like this particular person is your soulmate, and this is the person you want in your life. You are stuck on one person, Aquarius, to be very honest, and you want them in your life anyhow. So you are manifesting them, and I feel like your manifestation is working. And the outcome from your side is the Ace of Pentacles. You are offering them a solid thing. You are offering them something very very solid, a solid committed relationship or a long term relationship. Or it can also be possible that some of you might be offering them a business opportunity as well, because the pentacles is related to materialistic things as well to some extent. So I clarified the Ace of Pentacles. I'm clarifying the outcome only. So Ace of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Page of Swords. So you are offering them something very very good, very very stable. So because it is a start, it is the new beginning, you are offering them. But this is not kind of mature relationship right now. This is kind of starting of the relationship, and this is kind of starting of a new friendship in the old relationship, you can say. Or there might be something new coming in your life, and that is bringing you a lot of joy and happiness. Because I feel like you are manifesting a soulmate energy in this relationship. I feel like you are stuck on somebody, and you are manifesting that person only. But trust me, there is new energy, new love is also present in your life, and somebody is coming to you offering something good to you. I think you should take a chance on that as well, or you should at least consider that person as a friend as well. Okay, and this is the Queen of Wands. This is from your side. So you are taking very very slow steps. You are ready for a new beginning. Queen of Wands is like somebody who is wearing their heart on their sleeves, and not ready for the consequences, or not or overlooking the consequences, and feeling like, okay, whatever is happening, I don't know, I just want this person to be in my life. So this is your energy. Okay, and the final is the Page of Swords. I feel like you guys are at a long distance maybe, and you guys are connected with social media with each other, most of the times through WhatsApp or social media or Instagram, I don't know. But I feel like you guys are spying on each other, especially you Aquarius. You are spying on your partner, or you are manifesting a soulful soulmate connection with somebody, and that connection is coming to you. But this energy is not mature. You are feeling very very passionate about this particular person. You are feeling love towards this person. This is a new beginning, brand new start, brand new, I can say, person as well. If you are allowing somebody new in your life, there's a brand new person as well in your life. So whatever it is, I feel like you guys are connected with some kind of social media connection is there, long distance connection is there. At the bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Things are working out in your favor, Aquarius, but things are very very slow. The commitment thing, the relationship thing, the lovey-dovey thing is happening, but it is happening at a very very slow pace. And this is a very good thing, Aquarius, because if you rush into something, that is not going to work out eventually. Okay, so you have to take things very very slow. Okay, let me pull 2-3 cards from Love Oracle deck and see what the universe wants to tell you about the love life, about your love life in April 2020 till the middle of April. So I want to share something with you guys. I was not feeling well from last 15-20 days. So I'm really sorry if I'll not be able to uh, what should I say, to create the videos and put them on YouTube. But I'll try my level best to be as consistent as possible. Okay, and English is not my first language, so I'm really sorry if I made any kind of grammatical or pronunciation mistakes in between. So yeah, and one of the person that I want to tell to say sorry to is Faryal. Faryal, if you're listening to me, I'm really sorry of not being able to create the videos and put it on YouTube. I'm really sorry, dear. Okay, so I did Aquarius because I feel like you might be waiting for that very eagerly, Faryal. So yeah, okay. So healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. Now I'm 100% sure, Aquarius, there is somebody new coming to your life, because I feel like there was some kind of toxicity in your last relationship with your past person. Now you're healing from that thing, and that is a very good thing. might be if somebody new is coming, there's high chances of somebody new coming. But if this is a different, this is a past person, then this person is completely transformed into something new, and they are now coming to you within a with a different life, with life, or with a different perspective towards you, completely new. They have changed and they have transformed into something new. Wow, engagement ring. I feel like Aquarius, now this relationship is heading towards a very, very good phase. Might be you guys were manifesting this very from a very long time. Now this is happening. And I like you is the last card. The smile on my face is telling you that I like you is the last card for you guys. Though this is someone likes you, romance is blooming, fun, flirting, want to date. Somebody is coming to you, and this is what is happening with you guys till the mid of April. Okay, I hope you can read it. So, Aquarius, this is kind of mixed reading. Your partner is changing completely and they are coming towards you with a solid offer. This is a beginning. This is just the beginning. Don't take it as an offer of commitment yet. But yes, there is some kind of offer coming towards you, Aquarius. Your partner is now willing to put the work. And from your side as well, you were manifesting this relationship, or you were manifesting some soulmate connection with somebody maybe new, and that is coming towards you. This is a very good energy, Aquarius. I'm so happy for you guys. So God bless you, keep blessing me. Thank you so much for your love, and do let me know in the comment section below if I can improve anything in my readings. Thank you so much, and this is all I have for you guys. And Parial, really sorry. God bless you, bacha. Thank you. Namaste.